Here is a 52-inch Hunter Passport 3 ceiling fan. It's in white. It's from the year 2002. It's flush mounted. There's the top. It's got bleached oak blades on the other side. White on this side. Doesn't have a light kit. Got it from one of my parents' friends. And this ceiling fan, it does pretty well. Like most other fans from the early 2000s, it does spin kind of slowly, but it still blows a lot of air. So let's demonstrate it now. There is low. It's got a nice majestic low speed to it. And it does stay out of the way of the garage beam and the garage door. Okay. Now for medium. And I can already feel, gust of air already. So this is a really good air mover. I'm thinking about putting this fan up in the house somewhere. It might go in my room, might go in the guest bedroom, because it's such a good fan. Of course, I'd have to find a light kit for it first, but that shouldn't be too hard. Not 100% sure if I'm going to put this fan up somewhere in the house, but there's a 50-50 chance that I might. But for now, it's going to stay here in the garage, because yes, this fan is in the garage. And now for high speed. Yeah, this fan is really good. It does spin a bit on the slower side, but it still blows a lot of air and is very quiet. Yeah, I cannot hear any hum at all. All I can hear is the sound of air being forced down. Give you a view of the whole thing. And yeah, that's about it. That is my 52-inch Hunter Passport 3 ceiling fan. Thank you for watching, and I hope you enjoyed the video. Bye.